Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are doing question 1.2 from the 2017 Maths Paper 2 Maths Lit paper. This is a financial maths question where they're asking us to calculate the income tax of an individual. So they've given us NHB, which is over here, which is how to calculate individual tax rates. So they said that one of the South African National Bank Service directors, who is 68 years old, earned a taxable income of 663,000 Rand during the year. It says now calculate the income tax this director has to pay on his annual taxable income. So, and it says you can ignore medical aid credits. So basically they've given us this table. So the first thing we need to do is find out which tax bracket this director falls under. So you can see the tax bracket is to do with the 663,000, which falls into the second last bracket, so over there, because it's between 550,000 and 700,000. So the formula that we're going to need to use is that your income tax equals, so as it says there, it's 147,000, just reading off that second last line in that first part of the table, 996 plus 39%, okay, of the amount above 550,100. Okay, so that part we'll need to then find the difference between the 663,000. So this is going to equal this R 147,996 plus it's 39% times, so it's the difference, so it's the 663,000 minus the 550,100. So we'll keep this part the same, so it's 1,000. So it's the 147,000 plus, okay, so it's still 39%. So remember, 39% is 39 over 100 times, and this in your calculator comes to 112,900. So this is going to equal our 47,996 plus, so that portion, so 39% of your 112,900 is 44,031, and putting this in your calculator, we get that this is 192,027 Rand. But we're not done, because we do have tax rebates. So tax rebates are things, are amounts of money that come back to you, because so everyone gets a primary rebate of 13,500, and then also there is a secondary rebate for persons 65 and over, and a tertiary rebate for 75 years and over. And remember, this director is 68, so he does qualify for the secondary rebate as well. So we'll need to then subtract those two rebates from this total amount, because rebates come back to you. So therefore, after rebates, it's 192,027 Rand minus the 13,500 minus the 7,407, and this gives you a total of 171,120 Rand. And this is the total amount of income tax this individual needs to pay. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.